Hi, I'm Jim Brickell from Ed Ford Lincoln in St. Catharines, Ontario. Today I'm sitting in the Lincoln Corsair. One of my customers was asking about the cruise control system, so I wanted to take a moment and show you how it works. Looking at the center screen in the vehicle, so this is our home screen, and we want to go to Features. From the Features, we then want to go to Driver Assistance. From Driver Assistance, we want to choose second one down, which is Cruise Control. In the Lincoln, you have a choice of normal cruise control, where you set just the speed, or adaptive cruise control, where you set the speed and the distance to stay behind the vehicle in front of you. Then we want to use lane centering, and we also have predictive speed assist. If you're not sure what that is, you can hit the I, which gives more information such as predicts upcoming road curves, turns, or changes in speed limit, and adjust your vehicle speed accordingly. In other words, a nice safety feature. So we're going to turn that on. So we've set up the type of cruise control that we want to be using. When we get out onto the highway, on the left-hand side of our steering column, we have this button here. It looks like a car with a little speedometer. If you push that, up top your display changes. You've got a vehicle, and the buttons down here all lit up. So now it's actually buttons from the back. So we can set our speed, and on this side we can change for the distance to stay behind the vehicle in front of us. So as you're going, you've got your speed set. If a vehicle comes in front of you, you'll be slowed down because you've got it on adaptive cruise control. If you tap the brakes, it still holds your speed in the memory setting, and then you would hit resume. That'll take you back up to your preset speed. If you need to adjust your speed while you're on the highway, set plus will go up 1 mile per hour. Set minus will go down 1 mile per hour. And on this side, you can change the distance to stay behind the vehicle in front of you. The other thing we have on the end of our turn signal is where we can turn our lane keeping system off or on accordingly. So by pushing the button in, you would see where it is. So we do have lane keeping system is on, cruise control is on, and then when we exit the highway, then we're going to hit this button again to turn off the cruise control. So I hope this gives an explanation as to how to use your cruise control, and I hope it helps to enhance your enjoyment of your vehicle. If you have any additional questions, I'm Jim Brickell at Ed Ford Lincoln.